Kashmir tensions continue to rise, and this is after the vandalism of the Indian national emblem plaque at the revered Hazrat Bal Shrine in Srinagar. Now, in the latest, police have detained 26 people in connection with the Hazrat Bal vandalism incident, which took place during Eid-e-Milad prayers on Friday. Investigators say they identified suspects through CCTV footage and other evidence. In fact, the plaque bearing the Ashoka emblem was installed as part of a multi-crore renovation drive led by Jammu and Kashmir Waqf Board itself. But the symbol sparked outrage among a section of worshippers who claimed it violated Islamic principles that prohibit idol-like imagery in places of worship. Now, the desecration has since triggered a fierce political and religious backlash. Waqf Board chairperson and BJP leader Rakshan Andrabi condemned the act as terrorism, demanding strict action against the perpetrators. Meanwhile, Union Minister Kiran Rijiju also reacted to the controversy, condemning the vandalism of the sacred symbol at the shrine. Regional parties too have been reacting on the incident. Parties like PDP and National Conference, they both defended the actions of those who removed the plaque, calling the installation provocative and insensitive. In fact, the Chief Minister Omar Abdullah questioned why the plaque was even placed at the shrine in the first place. He also argued that the controversy could have been avoided altogether if such symbols had not been introduced at sensitive religious places. Let's listen in as to what the Chief Minister has to say.
मैंने अभी तक किसी भी मजहबी दायरे में किसी भी फंक्शन में इस तरह का एम्बलम का इस्तेमाल होते हुए नहीं देखा है। तो क्या मजबूरी बनी थी कि हजरत बल के इस प्रोग्राम इस पत्थर पे एक तो एम्बलम इस्तेमाल और फिर पत्थर लगाने की क्या जरूरत थी ना? क्या काम काफी नहीं था? पत्थर लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी। अगर काम सही होता तो लोग खुद ब खुद उस काम को पहचान लेते। अब चलिए, उन्होंने गलती की, हो गया, नहीं होना चाहिए था। मैंने अभी
Now, Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha also expressed his deep anguish over the vandalism, but refrained from commenting on the decision to place the emblem at the shrine in the first place. Now, my colleague Mehraj Ahmed is joining me on the broadcast. Mehraj, we are given to understand that police have detained about 26 people in connection with the vandalism. Help us understand how the investigation is proceeding now.
Well, Ishita, last night 26 people have been detained in this case, which is pertinent to the vandalism in Hazrat Bal Shrine, where some devotees took law and order in the hands and vandalized the national emblem, which was created on the signboard of the Waqf Board, as Waqf Board completed the renovation work of shrine last day. And we can say that so far 26 people have been detained on the basis of digital evidences and other means which we are present with the police. And so far 26 people are going through questioning, and their police is checking their role. So far no one have been booked, but we can say that 26 people have been detained for questioning. So far we have seen that there is a huge chaos, political chaos on this issue, where Waqf Board chairperson demanding stern action against the vandalizers, and we can say that miscreants. But so far all the opposite political parties, including National Conference and PDP, they are somehow supporting the act of that. They are saying that this is the action to the provocation what Waqf Board chairperson had done, as this is not mandatory to post such symbols on the board, which we can say, according to them, is the provocation remark, and which provoked the devotees who came there to celebrate Eid-e-Miladun-Nabi, and that what happened. And so far we can say this is the whole political chaos is going on this issue. So far police have detained 26 devotees or persons, we can say, on the basis of digital evidence and other means. Back to you.
Right, Mehraj. Now, you mentioned that these people who have been detained, they have not been booked under any section as of now. But I want to understand what are the charges under which they have been detained first, and also what's the situation at the shrine right now? Are the protests still continuing?
Well, Ishita, protesters have been controlled on the same day after some hours as many top leaders visited that place on that Shab-e Milad, and we can say that situation is under control. There is no protest right now going at that shrine, but we can say that 26 people detained on the digital evidences. We can say that the videos were viral from the place that time, and some other evidences which police have collected. They have been detained to question their role at the present that scene, at that scene. So we can say no one have been booked, but yes, police have lodged an FIR, and so far investigation is going on. Back to you.
All right, Mehraj, thank you so much for joining us and sharing us all those details with us. Now, viewers, let's also get you some political reactions on this incident.
मैं समझती हूँ जो अवकाफ बोर्ड है, जो उसके जो भी उसके मुंसलिक हैं, उनके खिलाफ ब्लास्फेमी का केस किया जाना चाहिए अंडर सेक्शन 295A। उनको जेल में डाल देना चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने कोशिश की है हम मुसलमानों के जज्बात को मजरूह करने की, उनको तकलीफ़ देने की। क्योंकि जो हज़रत बल दरगाह है, ये हमारे सरकार दो जहां, हमारे पाक नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के साथ मुंसलिक है। वहाँ इस किस्म का शिरक करना, इस किस्म की कोई भी मूर्ति की तस्वीर रखना जो इस्लाम में शिरक माना जाता है, गुस्ताखी मानी जाती है, इस किस्म की गुस्ताखी करना, मैं समझती हूँ कि उसके खिलाफ सख्त एक्शन होना चाहिए। और चाहिए चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब को फ़ौरन से पेशतर इनको सबको वहाँ से जो है बोर्ड से हटाए, डिसमिस करे, ताकि लोगों के जज्बात को थोड़ा सा सुकून मिल जाए।
हजरत बल दरगाह हो या और भी तमाम जो धार्मिक स्थल होते हैं, उनके अपने व्यवस्था होती है, उनके अपने जो भी सिस्टम होता है, उनका सबको सम्मान करना चाहिए। और ये मैं मानता हूँ कि देखिए, न पत्थरबाजी का मैं समर्थक हूँ और न ही जो है वो कोई किसी राजनीतिक लाभ के लिए पत्थर कोई गाड़ दे वहां पर, उसका भी मैं पक्षधर।